friends, good morning. Welcome to Myttre's kitchen. So today's recipe is a simple recipe yet a delicious recipe. Any guesses with the set of ingredients? Yes, today we are gonna do green pepper chutney. It's a very nice and simple dish, and everybody knows green pepper is full of antioxidant. So please do try this and keep using this in your daily recipes. So the main ingredient is of course our green pepper. You can take any colors, along with sliced onions, tomatoes, garlic, 1 small tamarind, red chili, urad dal, chana dal and mustard seeds. These are the main ingredients to do our capsicum chutney, a very healthy recipe. So let us get into our recipe. So friends, the first step to do our green pepper chutney is I have taken a non-stick pan, added 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm just gonna add a tablespoon of urad dal, followed with a tablespoon of chana dal, along with all these said ingredients. I'm going to add 3 to 4 garlic, now I'm going to add red chili. You can add the red chili as per the spices you wanted. I'm adding 3 numbers, followed with sliced onions. Fry everything nicely till the onion all gets softened. The said ingredients are getting fried. I'm just adding a marble sized tamarind. So let everything get cooked well. So meanwhile we are going to add capsicum. I've added 1 big size capsicum into it. Capsicum usually gets cooked fast, so just add the required amount of salt. I'm just going to add salt now. After adding the salt, cook it for next 2 minutes. The capsicum will become soft. Let's see what is next. Friends, you can find our green pepper is finally getting cooked. I'm going to add 1 small sized tomatoes into it. Toss it for next 2 to 3 minutes off the stove and let it become cool. Then we will grind it to a fine paste. All the set ingredients is cool. Now let us grind it to a fine paste. Our capsicum chutney is almost ready. Yes, so it's come out very nicely. It's become a fine paste. Now let us season it and have it displayed. Have it seasoned. So I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, along with little urad dal, few coriander leaves, few curry leaves, followed with red chili. Red chili. That's all. Season it and have it poured into our chutney and it's ready to be displayed. So friends, here goes our lovely capsicum chutney. So please do try this recipe. As I said, capsicum is full of antioxidant. Try this recipe. So watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking. Stay safe. Bye-bye.